Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to block someone on Messenger. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Messenger app from your phone and you will see an interface like this. Now normally choose a profile whom you want to block on Messenger. For example, I want to block this person from my Messenger. So I'm gonna open the profile. And then you have to click on the I button on the top right corner of the profile. And here you will get an option block. Normally choose this option and choose again this block option. And that's it. We have successfully blocked this profile on Messenger. Similarly, if the person is from your friend list, then normally choose the profile and from here click on this I button. And scroll down a bit and choose block. And choose again this block the account. So after choosing this option, this person is going to be in your block list. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to block a person on Messenger. Allah Hafiz.